Hi, this is Rajesh. Today we are going to do progressions exercise 6.2 in the 13th problem. That is, for what value of n are the nth terms of two APs 63, 65, 67 and so on, and 3, 10, 17 and so on are equal. See here, for what value of n, nth terms of these two APs are equal. See here, for which term these two APs are having equal value. That is a given problem. So here, first of all, for what value of n these two APs are equal means we need to make these two arithmetic progressions of n terms should be equal, and then we can find n. Later we can say for nth terms, isn't it? Otherwise we can't say. So first of all, we will write the first arithmetic progression. The first AP is 63, 65, 67 and so on. Next, see here, first term A is equal to 63 and the common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. See here, A2 is nothing but 65 minus 63. So 65 minus 63, what is the value? Its value is 2. Next one, the second arithmetic progression. The second arithmetic progression AP. The second arithmetic progression AP is 3, 10, 17 and so on. So here, first term A is equal to, in this arithmetic progression, that is 3. Next, common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. So its value is 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. A2, that is 10, minus A1, that is 3. 10 minus 3, 7. See here, in this arithmetic progression, first term is 63, common difference is D is equal to 2. Coming to the second arithmetic progression, first term is 3 and common difference D is equal to 7. But in the problem, for what value of n are the nth terms of AP of two APs are equal, we need to find. So here we don't know for which term of these two APs are equal. So that only here I am considering, let nth term of these two APs are equal. Let nth terms of two APs are equal. Here we don't know for which term those two APs are equal. So at that time we are considering like nth terms of two APs are equal. See here, nth term of this one will become A plus n minus 1 into D. So here A is 63 plus n minus 1 into D, common difference D, that is 2, is equal to, coming to this second arithmetic progression, nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. A is here 3 plus n minus 1 into common difference D, that is 7. Now it can be written as 63 plus 2 into n, 2n minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 7n minus 7. 7 into n, 7n, plus into minus, so 1 into 7, 7. Now this can be written as 63 minus 2, 61. So 61 plus 2n is equal to 7n minus 4. After that, we need to make all variables one side, all constants on the side. So here, get this one and send after is equal. So this can be written as 2n minus 7n is equal to minus 4 minus 61. So this can be written as minus 5n is equal to minus 65. Now n is equal to minus 65 by minus 5. Minus minus gets cancelled. 5 ones are 5 13s are. Therefore, n is equal to 13 we got. So here 13th term of 2 APs are equal. 2 APs are equal. 2 APs are equal. See here, n is equal to 13 we got. Am I correct or not? So for this APs, 13th term will be equal to 13th term of second arithmetic progression. So for what value of n are the nth terms of 2 APs are equal means 13th terms of 2 APs are equal.